Good morning. Morning. Welcome
Good
to
morning,
All
sir.
right. So I'm about to share my screen, and I believe you can see my screen. So can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's quickly check. Yesterday was nice for me. I smashed two TPs and I left. Oh wow, this one retraced and it has gone back down again. So let's say boom. Let me check it here. Now this is it. This is what I was saying yesterday. Is it that this thing retraces and drops, or it continues to drop down to this place and you wouldn't want to miss it if it continues? Maybe you might just want to wait for a pull down and retest on it. But if I see a fair this 30 minutes, if I see a fair entry and I can risk, well, I can risk because I've been in massive profit, so I can just risk something small from here. I can still take this because I can risk, right? This would have been a good one to take, but it has moved already. Oh wow, 15, 15. Oh wow. If we did the analysis earlier, I would have entered this one. Let me look at it on daily time frame. And I'm expecting the drop to continue. That's the thing now. So we just have to for boom 500, we'll have to just wait for a little pullback again. Like let it form a lower low, then probably pull back a bit for a lower high, which might be this one now because I'm not yet seeing any, which might be this, and it might not be this actually, it might be this, it might be this. So there's no need to, we don't need to mark everything, we just need to wait. Let's just wait for a pullback. Crash 500, still dropping as expected, dropped here, and except someone wants to look for a drop again to enter. And okay, I'll crash 1000. Let me be sure. If the retracement has started happening, then we have to enter. Okay, this is a railroad track here. Let me watch it here. Let me see what it's going to show on 4 hours here. If it goes down, fine. If not, then we can start looking for how to catch this retracement move up to this place. So that, yeah. So I think we need to watch out for this. Yeah, we just need to set to watch out for it. I think the only option we have right now is this. So let's wait for this candle to close. If it is okay, we can risk a bit, just a little bit, because it's not clear. Just a little bit. And then we can hold it for a while and see what's up. For this one, we'll wait for retracement. For this one, let's see an obvious like break of structure and stuff. Like let's see something legit. Then we'll know what to do. So boom, 1000 on the watch list. Boom 500 on the watch list. Waiting for retracement. Crash 1000 on the watch list for me. The Samuel Alpha step.
Yeah, no, I tried trading step this morning to I think he wants to retrace or something.
You see, that's why I say you have to wait. Now, the break of structure and retest that happens, I'm not expecting it to drop back here. This is something we might not. This is something we might not. This king. The issue with this is that you might have to wait for the OD to confirm it. So you can go on lower time frames to see. That's the issue with step lower time frames. Too many. This would have been a place to enter now, but that's moved a bit from there, so there's no good entry there anymore. Are you seeing the issue now? So me, I don't know the story of this market. Like I've
Yes.
not been following for a while, so it's easier to just first start analyzing and not yet trading for me, so that I can just master the story of the market. I can understand what how the market is moving like, and then I can continue trading it from there. For now,
Hmm.
this is what I see. So if I just jump to trading it, I'll make plenty errors because like I've not been following it for a while. Crash and boom now. I just know what to do. I think I'm still even holding one position because that my last trade, I did not close it completely. I just closed the part
Hmm.
of it. Yeah, it's still
Since
holding.
yesterday.
It's still
Yeah.
dropping. So
Yeah, I didn't take anything yesterday. I don't know.
yesterday was very, very, very sweet.
I watched I went to rewatch some of your videos back because I was having too much loss. And when I tried them again on I tried the analysis this morning. I traded few pairs apart from step. It worked. So, bro, I might just continue
Which one
with
did you
my
trade today?
volatility 75 and
Wow.
volatility 10. It's on demo. I didn't trade it on my life.
Okay.
I don't have confidence.
It is well. So I think you need this thing that I said. Just following the story of the market for a long time. Just for a while,
Okay.
like taking trades on them, seeing if you are understanding how it moves. Like you'll be making a few losses, but after a while, you will get used to the market movements. It will just happen. So it's like I think probably if I focus because there was a period where I always take in fact I'll just enter step 1 minute. I don't need to waste time. But I just it was not something that I wanted to keep as a culture.
I want to
Like
ask a question too.
yeah.
Eh, that is it okay if I backtest? When is it dope for me to just backtest? And following
Anytime.
the story, what concepts?
Following the story is what we have been doing. You notice that anytime we want to do analysis, I don't do analysis more than 10-15 minutes, like because I've
Mm-hmm.
been trading it for a long time. For
Mm.
example, this place, this boom, I've been following this for a long time, and I know that this breakout, when it happens, it will be a breakout retest and it will be a major drop. So, like, I've
Mm.
been waiting for it for a long time. So, there are some of these
Mm-hmm.
short ones that I've traded, I've caught, but I've been waiting for this break retest. And after this retest from here, I started between here and here. I don't know, I can't say how much I've made, like a whole lot between here and here, a whole
Hmm.
lot. So that's just there. I've been like I know. So presently now I'm watching because I know that it's very possible we have a retracement and then a drop. So I already know what Boom 1K is going to do next. I've been following it. Boom 500, I know what it looks like. I know what Boom 500 looks like. I'd been waiting for this drop too for a while. If you remember that day, I think you met me at the hub. I was saying that this thing was going to drop from here.
Mm.
and I made a lot of money from here to here. Then even here now, I'm waiting. So it's like crash 500. I know why I'm not trading it, because I don't like trading spikes, and it's not
But
because my analysis has not been going. I marked it this yesterday, and it dropped from there. Right? See the massive drop. But it's just I don't like the trading spike. For example, one of the reasons I don't like trading spike is this thing now. So you see this all these weeks now.
being a
If I
Miyama or something,
Yeah, if I put my stop loss, it probably would have
if you
touched it
chop it,
before it now dropped.
yes.
And I don't want that. Or maybe I would have just waited for 2 pins, 3 pins, something like that. But it's just one reason why I don't like trading the spikes. And this is just me understanding how the market moves, right? So
Mm,
I know I'd been watching it from here, all this drop, but check it on weekly. I knew it's forming a lower low. I will be waiting for when it is about to form a lower high. And I've been talking about it since that we should watch out for it. When the lower high starts forming, I will just focus on trading it. See that lower high that is going to form. That lower high that is going to form like this.
mm-hmm.
I'll be eating everything, eating everything, eating everything, eating everything. When it's about to form a lower low, I'll remove my hand.
Mm.
Crash 1000 says the same thing that I'm saying here. It has formed the lower low. I'm expecting the lower high to start forming. So that's why I'm saying let's be watching it to be sure that the lower high has started. Probably I will see a pin bar, one major pin bar. Okay, this one is railroad. Fair enough. I've already marked this. So I'm waiting for something like a push up here and then a
Then you
retracement on it.
retrace.
Then maybe like a pin bar or something. I'll just go on lower time frame and start eating different positions from
Mm.
here up to this place. That's just the idea. So it's like I've been following the story, I've been trading it. I know what it looks like, and it's easy to make my market decisions. That's just the way it is. So
So like so
just
what happens, the things that what happens in the past still happens in the future.
yes,
Abi?
yeah,
So
it will surely
maybe
repeat itself.
I have to start doing a lot of back testing. Yeah. Step I think someone said is manipulative that you know
I don't
that
think it is. I know someone that trades it very well. It's just that if you've been on it for a while, it's easier to
mm,
make trade decisions. You know where you are not supposed to trade, you know where you are supposed to chill. For example,
mm,
there's a way Crash 1000 works that I would not trade any other one. Crash 1000, when he wants to start pushing up, he starts pushing up without anything and he pushes up for long. Like all this
yes.
movement happen once and then the retracement will not be taking time. All this movement will happen once. It just happens like that. Crash 1K. It's just quite different. So I know that I have to be very careful and be sensitive for when this movement starts happening so I can pick it quickly. And that's all. So it's just basic stuff, right?
Thank you so much, sir. I'm already blessed this morning already.
All right now. So let's wait for these ones. I'll be here checking it when we're ready. Enter.
You will not even let us know when you are ready.
It just depends. So if I don't think the trade is very sure, I will not want people to take it. I will take it alone because I can
That's
lose a
true,
lot.
sure. So that they will not blame you again.
Exactly.
Oh,
Anyway,
everybody will be alright.
let's close out the live. All right. So thank you very much for.
God bless you, sir.
So we'll see. We'll wait for the how the movement turns out. All right now.
Mm.
God bless.